My name is Priyanshu and I'm in EC department in MIT Manipal.
What's your most favorite place in Manipal?
I really like Hanging Bridge. There's a very good kayaking spot there. I really like that area. In terms of restaurants, I like Eye of the Tiger a lot. It's many of my celebrations and all I've done it over.
The best cafe in Manipal?
Roy's Cafe, yes. It's a bit more on the higher end in terms of price, but the ambience is really good.
One thing that you really love about Manipal?
I really like the fact that there's a lot of things to do in Manipal. Like when I first came to Manipal, I thought it's like a sleepy town, not much to do. But as I explored throughout my first year, I realized there's a lot of things to see. It's like if you come here for sightseeing, a good 1 to 2 days you can take in terms of sightseeing. So you have things like Delta, where you can see the river waters as well as the sea, and otherwise like Hanging Bridge and all these other things which are there to see. Along with that, there are a lot of restaurants, a lot of places to party. Otherwise, with your friends, people are really good. It's otherwise a very happening spot, maybe because of the colleges as well. But in general, it is a very lively place.
What's one thing that you would change about Manipal?
Change about Manipal?
Yeah.
That's actually a bit tough because I feel like Manipal is very unique. I wouldn't really say you can find a city like this anywhere else. I wouldn't want to change much about it. Maybe in my opinion, I feel like there's been a lot of people that have come in now. Like I think as the years pass, there's too many people that are coming in. I would like to reduce the amount of people. It's a bit crowded, but otherwise I really like the place.
What's the most Manipal experience you have had?
Almost any random weekend, you can find yourself going to the beach. Like there's a lot of beaches like Kapu Beach, Malpe Beach, and then immediately after that, you can spend the day there. You can drink a bit over there, and then go to let's say a club, and that becomes a whole day's activity. Those are things which I wouldn't have ever done in my hometown. Like I'm from Mumbai. In school and all that, I would have never done all these things. But when I've come here, I'm all of a sudden doing random things with my friends, which I would have otherwise never thought of. And these are all very spontaneous. Another thing is, I was also in the athletics team and I was also in a student project. We do a lot of team bonding things. So you can see like for let's say in my student project, we will do some project work together. Then all of a sudden we'll go to maybe a restaurant together and we might either do some team bonding together all in the same day. Maybe to an outsider it seems like we are doing a lot, but we don't really feel it because it's all spontaneous and we don't feel too overworked.
What's your favorite late night food spot?
Late night, I would say there is a shawarma spot, Smoky Jockey, around Emerald. So I really like the shawarma. That's one of the best in Manipal. So I love eating that, especially like late night when you have those cravings. Sometimes you can order it. Sometimes you can just go there.
Which place is the most underrated on campus?
Most